out here now! Come out here!
Why are you yelling my sister's name?
Go in there and call that stupid sister of yours!
But not as stupid as the one standing behind you.
Me? It's you! In fact, your generation is stupid! Can you imagine, brother? Look at this imagine you have been talking to me! Hey, Jesus!
I will spare you because I have no business with my sister's prey. And as for you, Emeka, is one do now handicap that you came to fight for her?
Odinaka, I am not here for your questions. Go in there and bring your sister out. I am already exhausting my patience and you will not like me. You will not like me!
Let me tell you something. She's too busy for a weakling like you. So you better get out of here immediately. Get out!
Odinaka, you called me a weakling. I will handle it my own way.
Again. They want to kill the Naka. Oh yeah? They want to kill the Naka.
Why are you running? Nana! Why are you running? You would have stayed to face me. And then go on. Look at how you are opening your mouth. You are crying. You can't beat those malnourished things. Eh? They betraying me. Okun, I will deal with you. Everybody should respect themselves in this place. Oh. Everybody should respect themselves in this place. Oh, Dele. I'm warning you. I am warning you. I'm not fetching a couple. If you go Dele, Nkita chukwa also. Nkita ga chugi go see net kai or come on chugi.
Ned, please calm down. Please calm yourself down. Huh? You see that all the lady got it wrong, but you have to calm yourself down. Huh? You might hit somebody listening and the person will die. By so you got yourself in a mess. That will be another case.
I am not going anywhere. I am not moving from this place. Okay, you that is talking, how many times have I reported Odili to you? I have reported Odili and his family to you. What did you do? Nothing. I even reported Odili and his family to the kindred. Give it a hand. Hey Zoya, men of Gonago. So you should not disturb me because today I want to handle him my own way. My handle. If OJ Chage Joe for your life.
I'm trying to. Huh? I want me to handle all this. I promise you, all the lady can never go unpunished on this very single act. So he can never go unpunished. Just go and relax with your children. Allow me to handle all this. Huh?
Listen, as long as he's still hiding inside there like the rat that he is, I will not leave here. And the work of the boy is in Bapta. He cannot go anywhere because I have locked the back door. He can only come out from here. So, if you want us to reconcile, or if you want peace to reign, ask him to come out here first. Why is he not hiding? Let him come out. First. Anything you are saying will be entering my ear. For now, I'm not listening to you.
Hey, so then you want me to bring out for you to kill? Calm down. Calm yourself down. I know they hurt you, but you need to calm down. I will handle all the late. I will talk to him. I will do everything. I'll make sure that calm down, please, my wife. Oh, calm down. All right, please calm down, okay? Let go about please calm down. Leave this place for me. I am the elders. I'm the father of this family. I want me to do it my own way. I promise you, all three can never go unpunished. Just go and stay with your children. Never, you know what? Never. What's happening? No. No. You are committing murder.
What am I going to listen? Did you listen to me? Did you hear my own side of story before reporting me? Must you report me without hearing from me?
I don't need to hear from you before I take my decisions. And that decision is the best thing I ever do in my life. Says who? Since you don't want to hear or listen to my warnings. Huh?
Oh, she see the way I'm looking at you. You will not tell me she's leggy. If not that you're a member of this family, I would have said you are having something to do with that woman. Oh yes! Oh yes!
Orderly, wash your mouth. Meanwhile, you are the owner of your mouth. You have to say whatever you want to say. But look at you. You are not ashamed of yourself. You are not ashamed of yourself, Orderly. Your children were fighting with your brother kids. Instead of you to separate them, Orderly, you join the fight. Orderly, I say you join the fight. This way you're supposed to be their father. You're supposed to be their father.
You don't know I'm their father. No, which children are you implying that I should be their father? Do they recognize me as their father? Onye kpogi nna gị kpọ ya nwa. Akwụkwọ nsọ kwuru esi mgbe Kraịst nọ n'elu ebe. Ọ sị, nwa lee nna gị, nna lee nwa gị.
More remain ka nna no. Imelo ka nna.
Those children have never for one day recognized me as their father. Because their mother must have brainwashed them by telling them that I'm the one that killed her sister. And you expect me to be their father? You expect me to calm down or to support whatever they are doing in that family? Who does that? No, tell me, who does that?
Orderly, I don't need any explanation from you. Just get yourself ready to explain yourself to the chiefs. When you get to the chiefs, you explain yourself. And what happened your time? You explain to them. Don't tell me anything. I don't be joking.
Oh, but you're in the heart of you tell your elders. When you get to the elders meeting, you tell them. Oh, but you're in the trouble. Oh, but you're looking for my job now. You're going to get it in full package. I've respected you enough. Oh, but you people should need me to mourn my dead wife for peace. Everybody is now hearing my voice. You people should need me to mourn in peace. Okay.
Or do we ever touch your children? Onapwala, is your baby here? Is he mad?
Madam, it's okay.
It's not okay. Ned, it is not okay. Hey, Odile should thank his stars that I wasn't around. If not, I would have torn him into pieces.
But Madam, that's exactly what he does. He's looking for who to kill him, but he can never be us. So just leave him. After all, the elders have already come to settle the situation.
Can you imagine?
Yeah. So it's okay.
Hey!
You
are telling me, see?
Shake it.
Oh, I don't hear you. I don't know. Very fine. Shake it again. Oh my God. Hey,
This is what we have been doing since last week. You never told me.
It is now making sense to me. So Odile killed our sister. So as to bring in this prostitute. Are you going to stand there?
Maybe I'm so sorry, my dear. I haven't been myself lately. I'm really scared now. So what's wrong? It's about my uncle. I'm sick and tired of all his quarrels. He's supposed to protect us, not treat us like we are outcasts. I'm tired.
No, you don't have to worry, okay? Everything will be okay. I mean, everything is already taken care of. I even heard the chiefs warn your uncle never to touch you or your mother ever again. Else, you'll bear the consequences. So is that why you're crying? My dear, wipe your tears, cheer up. Don't be moody now. You know I like to see you happy. My friend.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
So, where to? Nowhere. I'm just taking a walk to ease my brain from thinking. You know, I've been thinking a lot lately.
Don't tell me you're running away from your house because of your uncle. I didn't know. Stop this thing. Come on, cheer up.
Everybody should come and see what this girl is doing to somebody's daughter. Somebody should come and see what this girl is doing to somebody's daughter. Ned, come on! Want to open your life?
Both of you want to open your life. Open it, let me see.
A flame.
Open it, let me see.
Everybody come and see what stupid Ned is doing to somebody's daughter. If anything should happen to that girl, if anything should happen to her, every money I have given her, you pay me.
Come on, baby, shameless man. You know what I'm saying? Look at you. So that was why you killed our sister so that you bring in that prostitute up here. Urgently, you are just tied on the tail of a tiger.
What will you do? No, tell me, what will you do?
You that abandoned my brother to die. Your sister was busy gallivanting around, following men here and there. Walk. We called her several times to come and attend to her husband. She refused, claiming that she is busy. Immediately my brother died. He had a white.
You now came to wear white medicine after death. You will suffer. See, if you don't leave this compound, how are you going to be those?
Why are you deceiving yourself? Why are you deceiving yourself? Look at the goat that claims he lost my husband. We are still money, no? He's already bringing in women. You see, come out now. You see your corpse. They will carry your corpse into exile. Correct. They will carry your corpse into exile. And you want to
defeated widow.
Come and test me. Come and test me.
By the time I hand
I'm not happy. Why are you hiding? Come out now. Why are you hiding? Let us please.
I run because I want to fight tomorrow. I run because I want to fight tomorrow.
A lazy man always fights. I'm telling you, are not what today. You are waiting for the one that will happen. Oh, John, come out! You are always hiding like a rat. Come out, but I want to go get out of the wood.
Don't worry, you will see.
Black guy attacking Tarana. You will black you are attacking Tarana.
You people should come out. So let me come out with you.
Come out now. Come out.
What will you do?
Come out. Come out.
One, are you okay? Didn't you see me? Or have you suddenly gone blind? And then from that you can't breathe.
It's your daughter that has suddenly gone blind. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with everybody in this family? Is it because I'm keeping quiet? Huh? If one does not talk, problem. If I talk, wahala! Everybody Emeka just a form just born. Takitan. See, listen, I don't have time for all this rubbish. I've tolerated enough. Everybody should maintain their lane. Everybody on one leg. Are you mad? You see me, you're talking to like that. Yes! Go and call your father. Tell your father that I beat you. I am waiting for all of you. Come out, come and face me. Call your entire family. If you like, go and resurrect your great-great-grandfather. I am waiting for all of you. Look at this foolish goat. One bouncing, now gonna see me. And you have the guts to talk to me like that. I don't blame you. I don't blame you. And then you have the guts to talk to me anyhow. Una don't buy market. Go because I am waiting for all of you here. I'm waiting for you to know. Come out and face Ned. When you want some pay. Oh, I do. Look at your mother. I don't know. Huh? I don't know Imo. What's the bus?
Hello, how are you?
Fine.
Yeah, please, can I speak with you? Yeah, I mean you. Why is she running away?
She's not familiar speaking with me.
I can see that. Please, I will need your help. Huh? Please, I need your help. How do I get to know her? Huh? I mean, how do I get to know her? I mean, your friend.
Let's go. Come. So this is it. So this is it. Emeka, what are you still doing? Are you going back? You want to jack back for this small boy? Papa can't use their cutlass. Emeka, what are you still waiting for? Go and find a weapon. Go out with a cutlass. Go and get weapon. Okay. Okay. Whatever you see, bring. You see you. Okay, forget Ned. You see what you have caused. You are going to suffer. If you want to kill me the way you killed my brother, I am going to show you pepper in this compound.
Yes, so same way you killed my sister. Yes, so the same way you killed my sister now. Just look at you. Look at what you have turned the children she left behind. Later you call yourself
Jesus. No, did you just call me in power? Ned, you are playing with fire. You called me in power, yeah? Ned, you opened your mouth to call me in power. Ha! I can make you savvy.
Come on, get out. What do I calm down?
You carried cutlass for your uncle. You didn't raise cutlass for me. I will show you.
With all due respect, this cutlass is not for you. But for that idiot, that random man that you brought to come and fight my mother, henceforth, you have ceased from being my uncle. Till you start acting like one.
You don't have respect for my father. You fool. I will come here and give you another dirty slap.
No, come and try it.
You don't have sense.
Come and try it.
I'm not fortunate, bro. Look at you. Can't even train the children she left behind.
Is this one train?
Train the children she left behind.
Is this one train?
That is how you end up being in Nigerian.
No training. No home training. No public training. And the home training that you are talking back at me.
Who are you?
Do you have home training?
Who are you that I will not talk back at?
Emeka, where are you? Where are you doing for?
a family of witchcraft. Yeah? Did you just call me that?
Abegeli, what did you call me?
Truth they say is bitter. Yeah? Why are you upset about what I just said? Did you hear Adanne from my mouth? No, answer me. Did you hear Adanne? Let me. Amushi, look at this blood-sucking demon that feeds on sucking her children's blood. Adanne, are you referring to me? Who else am I referring to? If not this vampire standing here before me. Oh, you think we don't know? We think you don't know that you sucked your children to death. Cheshire I'm sorry for I am going to show you what a bloodsucker. What people like you. I am going to suck your blood. Right here and now.
What has come to your both of you? Can't you fight without involving your children? Huh? Joya, she's the one that owns that answer. Let her answer. Amusu. Look at you. Huh? Look at how you are endangering your children's life. Letting them to fight themselves with cutlass. Huh?
No. Ask him because I know I don't even understand why you are trying to blame both of us. He has fault here. Can you imagine that Mando? Show me and pass. She did not even bother to greet me. Then I called her back. Did you not see me? If how can you pass an elder and not do? I'm sure not yesterday. I'm very sure you were the one that sent her. And she started insulting me. I gave her a brain with certain slap. The next thing, she ran inside and came out with her father and her brother.
Audrey, has it gotten to the point that your children no longer greeting them?
They don't greet me.
Honestly, you are shameless. Oh yes, I'm sorry to say this, but you just surprised me. Honestly, the other time I had a quarrel with this winch here, Amusu Nebudia. Quickly, you went to the elders and reported me. Is it not what you did? Now it has gotten to her turn. You are here asking me silly questions. I'm ashamed of you. Keep on Orderly. You are not ashamed of yourself. You are the only surviving son of this very family. It is your responsibility to take care of your late brother's family. I should take care of my late brother's family. I should take care of my late brother's family. I should appreciate them for killing my only brother. For joining hands with this witch here to kill my brother. You want me to appreciate them? Are you hearing it? To take care of them. Don't make it. I will not blame you. I will not blame you. I blame the thing that allowing you to enter the just so what will you do? Okay,
Papa.
Papa.
What happened today should never, ever repeat itself in this family again. That clear?
What do you mean, Papa?
What I mean is that all of you should respect
Ned, greet her when necessary. In fact, greet her at all times.
Many boats are not in the things.
Thank God you said we both. I and Ned am not Ned, but you. She's supposed to be your mother. She's supposed to take good care of you, and not otherwise. So please, I don't want to say it again. I don't want to repeat myself again. I call her with every respect that is left in you. Please.
Papa, I am confused. If I understand it clearly, you mean we should not hold any grudges against that lady?
Never. Never. She is not your mate. You should respect her at all times. In fact, if there is any respect in you, no matter how big it is, give it to her. Greet her at all times. Because what you will not like others to do to you, do not do it to others. I have said my mind. I want you guys to be very careful. Allow me to do my things. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, Papa.
You cannot retire to your room.
Honestly, I don't know why she keeps avoiding me, even when I have tried to talk to her severally. Mama, please, help me and talk to her. The feelings I have for her is real. I don't know why she's treating me this way.
Well, I will talk to her. As your mother, try my best. When did you say you're traveling back?
Okay, next 2 months, Mama, and I would love to get married to her before going.
No, I have to be very honest with you. I don't know how you intend to do this, because I am not a fan of men who come down here, get married, then leave their wives here and travel alone abroad. Leave their wives alone here and they start living alone over there. It is something I don't even wish for my daughter at all.
Mama, that won't be an issue at all. I'm a citizen over there. My aim is to start processing her visa immediately after our marriage. I'm going with her.
You're a citizen?
Yeah.
Okay. But don't worry. I will speak to her. I will talk to her, and then I hope you know she has the final answer.
I know.
Because I will not push her to do what she doesn't want to do. But whatever the case may be, or whatever her response is, I will definitely get back to you. Okay?
Thank you so much, Mama. Thank you. I really appreciate it.
I heard you turned down Saint's proposal. Ebube, for how long will you keep on doing this? I mean, this is every woman's dream. This young man has been asking you out for over a month now. Why not give him a try? You know, there's no harm in trying.
Auntie, honestly, I'm not ready for this at the moment. I have a lot happening around me already. I need to focus.
Why are you so worried about your family? It's your future we are talking about here. Forget your family, they can handle their issues. Why you go ahead and see your future with same? IJ!
Really? Really? And then I should be happy that my family is going through hell? Tradition demands that it is only my uncle that has the right to stand in for my late father. Except he's not around, then my brother becomes relevant. What are you saying? Can you hear yourself speak?
You're right. You know, I haven't thought of this.
Now that you've known, I need you to get some ideas on how to bring peace back into my family. That is the only way this marriage can work, honestly.
It's okay, don't worry. So look for a way.
Better look for a way. If you don't want me to get married, just look for a way to bring peace back into my family.
It's okay.
Who are you? Brother. Huh? Who are you? Some good afternoon, sir. Who are you and what are you doing here?
This is the one I don't want to.
That is the one I will not take from you. Respect yourself. Why is it that you can never mind your business for once? Mind your business now.
How can I mind my business? No, give me one reason I should mind my business in this house. You are my responsibility. You are my brother's wife, and you are still mourning my brother. So you want to go out with this small thing?
That was then. You don't have any right over me now. You lost that right the moment you opened that your long mouth to accuse me of killing your brother. Respect yourself. Respect yourself. If you don't get out of this place, I'm a quick Korea game. Huh? Yes, I will tell Ebuka to run you over with
No, let Ebuka carry me. Not only Ebuka. Let Ebuka carry me. Oh, Ebuka will carry me. Over the motor, you know where I'm going to get you. Come and go, let me see you. No, come and go. No, come and climb me. This thing will come. Come and climb me. I'm waiting for you. Come and climb me. You are shameless. Come and run over me. It's your cup. No overflow. Give them on your shoe.
How madness start? Look at you. You are a goat.
You are a she-goat. You are a she-goat.
You are a foolish woman.
Yes, you are a foolish man. You woman.
Please, I beg you, accept my request.
Saint, it's not as if I don't want you. But the truth remains that I'm going through a lot now.
You can share with me. I promise to be of help if I can.
No, I can't. I'm sorry. It's confidential.
It's never confidential, since it's hindering you from accepting my proposal.
Yes, you are right. But please, can you just give me some time?
I have limited time here in Nigeria. I'll be returning back to the States anytime soon. Okay, I'm not going to do it.
Action.
Yes, you are right. But please, can you just give me some time?
I have limited time here. I'll be returning back to the States anytime soon. Okay, go away. You know I love you. Please accept me. I love you so much, please. Please, I love you.
Yes, you are a woman. You are not a man at all.
What the matter? You're welcome. It is your mother. Your mother has started again. Just look at a woman that is still mourning her husband. That this small little dirty pig came to pick your mother out. This boy came to take your mother, took her out.
Uncle, wait. If I may understand, are you trying to tell me that you don't know who this person is?
Who is he if not a he-goat? Who is he if he's not a gold digger? Look at one bashing. One curriculum came to pick a widow that is still mourning her husband. Your mother is shameless.
Uncle, are you quarreling because he came to pick up Mama?
Oh yes. Isn't that enough for me to quarrel?
Uncle, you don't know who this person is?
Who is he? It's not a gold digger or no sheep. It's not 2 minutes man. One picture come name with the hand and 2 minutes.
Uncle, this is Auntie Adan's son. This is my cousin Ebuka. Auntie Adan's son. Yes. And the reason why he says because he came to pick up Mama for the going meeting at her father's place. And she's already late. Look at the time.
Yes.
Vomit. Wow. Oh, you have turned to a scammer now.
Come on.
Like me now, now 1 year look at praying mantis. Respect yourself. Do you hear what I'm saying? Respect yourself. Respect yourself. Respect yourself.
Come on. This is Ebuka now. Boo.
Okay, they calm down though. They calm down. See you working at you. Who are you there, boo? You're working at you.
Drive her carefully. She would have explained to me. Mom, say Ebuka now. Who was not on the phone? You should go and rest yourself. Be careful. Be careful, bro. easy, oh. Take it easy, Ebuka. This Adam's son, this one really looks like that. I know Ebuka na when he was small. But Ebuka don't buy motor. Ebube.
Mama, sorry. I was actually...
Organic. Your brother said you did not eat. And you said you are not hungry. Why?
Mama, I'm fine.
No, you cannot be fine. What is bothering you? Because I know you did not eat in the morning. That means you have not eaten since morning. Something must be wrong.
Mama, I said I'm fine.
No, you are not fine, Mom. You are not fine at all. Eh? You know you can talk to me. You can tell me anything. So, out with it. What is bothering you? I want to know. Eh? Why will you not eat? And that woman, Cassia. And I cooked something I know you love very well. So, what are you saying? Something is wrong.
Yes, you are right. Something is wrong.
Hey, what is it? Talk to me.
It's about all the happenings in this family, Mama. For how long are we going to continue like this? When are we going to embrace peace? Are we not tired, Mama? Mama, on the other hand, Saint is asking for my hand in marriage. How possibly would that be when Uncle is the only person that can approve it? Mama, because I'm begging you. I'm begging you in the name of God. I'm begging in the name of anything you respect in this world. Let's restore peace in this family. Let's make peace, people, Mama. People, I'm tired, people. I'm tired, please. People, no, please, Mama. Don't say no, please. Let's restore peace.
Hey! Kusheba, what are you talking? Has it gotten to this extent? And Ned, I'm asking you and they're looking at me like a moron. Has it gotten to this extent that you bring men into this house?
Yeah, respect yourself. Respect yourself, oh. Do you hear me? What kind of nonsense is this? Biko, if you know what is good for you, get out of my way. Because if you do not get out of my way, I will push you. No,
come and push me. Ned, come and push me. Come and push me. I'm ashamed of you. So this is the reason you killed my brother. So that you can be mingling around. I need big up for anyhow. I need big up for with you mururu maka. I'm ashamed of you.
Look at this one. You think everybody is as shameless and as senseless as you? Nemanya, I have dignity, I have pride, and I have great respect for my late husband. So, I can never stoop low to your level. I can never be as shameless as you are. I'm telling you again, if you know what is good for you, get out. I will push you. I will push you. Get out of my way.
You are an Amusu and Amusu you will remain. Stupid woman.
Foolish goats.
You want to, I should get out of your way so that you can go in with somebody who is as old as your son. I'm ashamed of you. You get no boy. Whoa! Yeah, can get a look at small boy. No, come. If you try, you push me up here. You don't push me. You just push me. You are rushing into your grave. No, God, she will try and kill you. The way she killed my brother is the way she's going to kill you. No, rush. Enter. Go and Gabiokra. Gabiokra, why is she there?
You!
Please, are you the one I'm talking to?
Are you mad? Is anything wrong with you? Are you stupid?
Calm down. Sorry that I'm stopping you by the road. We seriously need to talk, Wando, please.
I'm listening. What is it? I don't have time.
Okay. It's about the conflicts and the quarrels happening in our family. Wando, please, we need to restore peace back into our family. If we don't do it, nobody will do it for us. We need to make them understand that we are not happy with their actions. We need to make them understand their roles in our lives as their children. Wando, we need to put them back in track. And
enough! What is wrong with you? We need to. Huh?
Ebube, I understand everything.
This is all about your marriage, right? You deem it is necessary to talk to me about peace because you know my father is Oyisinde Esunuro, head of the family. Because my father will play a major role in your marriage.
No, I don't know. It's a lie. The man in question have not even accepted his marriage proposal. You know, I was not a part of all these quarrels. I can never be a part of it. Wando, what happened to our good old days? I have missed our good old days. My father and your mother was alive. Wando, please, I beg you in the name of God, let us put hands together as one and make this to work. Please, I'm begging you. I'm not tired. I'm tired of fighting. I'm tired of quarreling. I'm tired of all the drama. I'm tired of everything. Please, I'm begging you. I'm begging you, please.
It's okay. Ebube, it's okay. Why are you crying now? I'm feeling your pain right now. Like, go bimba one amazing like this. It's okay. I'm so sorry.
But you know what? You're better off a counselor than wasting your time roaming around this village. Wasting your time! Rubbish!
Wanda, please, just wait. Listen to me for once.
Good morning, how are you?
The fact that there is no peace, unity and love in this family is enough problem for us. How long are we going to continue like this, Amy? This whole thing, this whole drama is dealing with me emotionally, mentally. In fact, Ishime Jugo, I'm tired.
My sister, if I tell you that I am not tired of the whole drama, I'm a chronic liar. But what do we do? If I get me,
Amy, one name. This peace we are talking about, it begins with us. Once we, their children, are united, they will have no option than to come back together. Please, we can do this. All I want you to help me and do is talk to your sister, Wando. I believe she listens to you more. I will handle my brother. Okay?
It's okay. You have really sounded well. I will talk to her. But I need to run along. I'm already late to work, okay?
Just take care of yourself. Stay safe, okay?
Be good, okay? And see what this family is better. It's alright.
I'm trying my best. Stay safe, okay?
Sorry, my dear. It wasn't too bad. Yeah, I was not hearing what you were saying, but I can hear you now. Eh? Are you serious? You want to take me out? Are you serious? Hey! Oh, I can't do Kumakago. This is the reason I tell anybody that cares to listen that you are the best. Hey! I love you too. I love you too. No, that one is not a problem. I'll just go and freshen up and... Yes. So why am I seeing you? I know the place now. No problem. You will see me now. What? Now! Hey, my best friend.
I'm just coming from your house and I did not see you. If I'm talking to you now, I'm hearing you. What's going on? Anyways, have you heard the latest? What? Stink has gone back to America. Oh, baby, I'm talking to you.
Any problem with that?
Is that all you have to say? When I went to your house, I saw your mom and your uncle quarreling and fighting as usual. I don't know. Osim, let them be. Did you hear me well? I said I saw your mom and your uncle quarreling and fighting.
Please, leave me alone. Just let me be Biko.
Yeah. Let me leave me alone. What is it? What's your problem? Babe.
Don't open this door now. Open this door. I will break that door. I'm going to use her. You know what I can do? Oh, you never see him key.
Come and go, let me see.
Odele.
Shebi, you begin come. Step out.
Hey, Odele, if I come out here, what I will do to you, you will not like it.
What would you do?
You will not like it. Respect yourself, oh.
Onya poshina poshi kebo. Onya poshini nanga kebo enanu.
Ezioku.
Onya poshina poshi kebo.
Odele. Look at you.
I have locked you. No wonder you killed my brother. I'm telling you. This is what you've been doing. Everywhere you see lock. All the joy.
Get out. Get away. Look at you that is talking. Look at you that is talking. Why are you pretending as if you were a saint when my sister was alive? That I'm keeping quiet or does not mean I don't know your story. So respect yourself now. Go open this door because if I don't go for this outing, I'm a man back home.
The next outing you go is outing service for your husband's death.
You are a goat. You are a big fool.
A loose woman.
You are a big fool.
You are very loose.
Bishop, just what they put also.
You now go home, guys.
I'm not here.
Come and go. The only outing I will allow you to do is your husband's outing first. And that is the end.
No, I will also go for your own outing.
This guy.
What is it? Can't we have peace in this family?
If you want peace, talk to your auntie. Tell her to stop moving about, that she's still mourning.
I heard everything that happened.
Good.
Just let her go, please.
Oh. Let her go. If I hear your mouth, I will use this key and lock your wrist.
Nne, come and open this door for me.
If you step an inch, why am I even wasting my time? Go and open it. The key is with me. Oh yes.
Very good.
You are useless, so do you know that you are very useless?
Yeah.
You are useless, rubbish goat. I'm not fetching effort for Rocco. That is what you are. You think I'm joking with you? Check out go. All the lemon will Peter. Nkege will counter. Nkege will counter. That is what you are. Don't worry. I will come out. If I come out, I will bore again. Yeah. I will finish you.
You want to go and bore? Go and bore, let me see.
Look at you that is talking. If I tell them what you were doing when my sister was still alive, for Ghana's door. Look at him. You know me very well. Go open the door. Go and make me open.
Papa.
If you touch me, you will not remain your marriage.
If you try it, I will beat you back.
Somebody who is still mourning, you are still mourning your husband. Tell me people like
why are you looking at him as if you know me very well? What I can do. Collect that key. If you try it, somebody should come and look there for business. If you let me come out from here. Let me come out from here. Let me see I want to bury out. Yeah, let me I want to bury out.
Why not?
I'm not here. Oh,
bingo.
Nedi. 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 Nedi.
Wando, so you've been in this house all this while, and I've been knocking and shouting your name. Eh? Where is your father?
Your father asked me to come. And since then, I've been here. Your father is nowhere to be found. Where is he?
Auntie, he never did.
What?
Yes. Yes, Auntie. We did. I know that what I'm about to say will sound so stupid to you. I must say it. We are tired of this stupidity amongst us. Auntie. Where is the love you always preach? Growing up, he made me understand what love is. Like you always say, we are tired. We are tired of this unity amongst us. Auntie, please. We need back the love, the care, the attention that we used to have. Let's leave whatever that happened in the past. So that the people that left us in this world will never regret leaving us. Please, Auntie, I'm begging you because we need peace. We need peace in this family. We can never achieve this without you. Play the major role, Auntie. We want us to be together. United we stand in this family. Auntie, please. Auntie, please. Everything.
Hold on. So you finally reconcile.
Madam, yes, now. I don't know now what they are. In fact, as I'm talking to you now, they are together discussing. See?
No, you're not lying.
Wow. Thank God with this, they'll help our parents reconcile together.
Yes, so I think so.
Yeah, that one I showed it. So guys, what is this plan?
See, there's no next plan here. We're gonna go inside there and see them. Thank you guys for the job.
dear, it's been months I saw you smile like this ever since you lost your father. My dear friend, nothing supersedes peace of mind. Like, am I a new creature? A newborn baby? I know you don't understand. I'm so happy. You're not serious. You are not serious. I'm serious. So what's the secret? Same for you. Because what you scent. You must be kidding. What does scent got to do with this? Awesome scent. You guessed wrong, my dear friend. Now let me just let the cat out of the bag. I'm happy to announce that I finished the function, right? You're not serious. I'm very, very serious. I'm not kidding. Wait. What really happened? Just tell me. What's up? What's up? Okay. My brother and I are not living happily with my uncle's children. Same applicable with my aunties. They not talk with each other. It's not a good news. Finally! Yes! How the bastards fighting every day? But how come now? What really happened? This girl, it's like Jesus. I don't think this one now. I don't know. I want to hear. Okay, so it's still a long story. Cut it short. Okay. My mom and my uncle, they are still in our place. They don't want to make up. Don't know what their problem is. So let them be. Okay? They will. Just let them be. With time, they will. Trust me on that. I forget about that now. Are you happy? What's up now? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You happy? Yes.
Igeme ya kobili mumma. Amaram 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 na igeme ya o. Chukwu ga-eme ya ka obi dị anyị mma o, nke mere na-emewo, Chineke mezie ya ka obi dị m mma ewu, amara m ị ga-eme ya ka obi dị anyị mma, amara m ị ga-eme ya ka obi dị anyị mma.
Today marks the end of sorrow and untimely death in our family. Amen. Henceforth, it will be tears of joy in Jesus' mighty name. Amen. May the souls of our loved ones and the souls of the faithful departed, through the mercy of God, rest in peace. Amen. If you hug her, it will not change anything. Make it move. And the mountain does not want to go to Mohammed. Mohammed should come to the mountain. Exactly, Mohammed. Come. Come mountain. You don't want to be where mountain that wants to go. Mama. Come now. What is it doing? Side hustle. This one, it's not acceptable. You hug very, very well. Okay, you want frontal hugging? Yeah. Rub your body. Oh yeah. Good. Now happiness in our family. Yes.
Mama, what's all this? Must you create something out of nothing? Mama, don't you know that this is the opportunity we have to reconcile with her?
Exactly. I at least expect that from you, Mama. What joy do people derive from quarreling?
And what makes you think your uncle is ready for reconciliation? No, tell me, what makes you think so? I thought you would have known your uncle by now. Eh? You know how arrogant and pompous he is. He just wants everybody to worship him. But I will not take that one. That is the one I will not take. I will not take it.
Mama, there you go again. Uncle is the father we are seeing now. So waging war with him do us more harm than good. Eh, Mama?
You said it all, baby. And Mama, I don't know how you're going to see this. But I advise you should just apologize to him and move on from this.
You know, you are very stupid. You know, I can understand Ebube. But I'm going, oh yes, member, you can't even stand like a man and fight for your mother. I should go and apologize to him. Apologize to him for what? Apologize to him for what? For calling me a killer. Accusing me of killing my own husband. I should apologize to him for going around the whole village, spoiling my name. I'm telling anybody that cares to listen that I am a murderer. I should apologize to him.
But Mama, you should let the past be in the past. At least saying so is not going to cost you anything. It won't even cost you money.
Anyway, now, you have said your own, but it will not work. I will not do it. If there's anybody that should apologize, it should be him. Go and tell him. You can't stand up to your uncle and defend your mother. Or he be able to go and apologize for fear. In fact, let me just go inside.
See, I didn't know what else to do. I'll just come back and run away from this place.
I'm even tired.
What is the meaning of this nonsense? And Ned, what is the meaning of this nonsense? How can you dress like this, knowing fully well that Umuoke is around? Who are you trying to seduce? Let me ask you. It's barely 1 week you removed morning clothes. You have started bending down like a woman who needs a man. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Are you not the one I'm talking to?
Biogene, what is your problem, Odile? Respect yourself, fool. Odile, in the name of anything you hold dear, respect your own age. What is all this nonsense? How is it your business how I'm dressed?
It is my business.
It is not your business, oh. And then if I want a man, how is it your business? Is it a woman I want before? Respect yourself. Respect yourself. Rubbish.
I am the one talking rubbish, okay? So what I'm saying is rubbish. That you bend down, bend the other and you brought out everything. Don't you have another better and decent clothes to wear? Oh, I should have known. I should have known that this is what you wanted. You killed my brother just because you want to flirt around with every kind of man that comes your way. Of course!
Look at who is talking. Is it not the same flirting that you used to kill my sister?
Also?
Yes, so. Is it not this same flirting that made you not to see my sister before she died? Now you're here yakking your mouth. I don't blame you. Shall if I keep quiet in this house, Ahwana Fogofu. If I talk, Ahwana Fogofu. Anyway, you can stand here and yak all you want. But me, I will not stand here and listen to rubbish.
So I'm the one doing rubbish. I'm the one talking rubbish, okay? If from her beautiful shape, just look at it. Beautiful shape. Must everything be in you? Must you be beautiful and have beautiful shape at the same time? You bend down, you are doing it like this. Just for them work about men are everywhere. Nonsense woman. You were a beautiful shape, I get you can get what I said. You were a beautiful shape, yeah, beautiful nonsense woman. With a shape, I'm not a motor, my boy. Come and finish washing your clothes. Oh. The way you just bend down, come here, finish it. And I bend down anyhow. It's near mad long one.
Chukwuemeka. Odinaka. Odinaka.
Yes, Papa.
Papa, you call me.
Who is your father? Who is your father? You dare not call me father because I am not your father. I cannot be your father. Will never be your father.
Uncle, why are you being so mean?
I prefer this one. You see this one that you just called me now? Uncle? I prefer this one. Where did your mother go to?
I have no idea.
You have no idea. Huh? You have no idea that your mother left this house this morning and she didn't tell you where she was going to. And up till now, she's not yet back.
Oh, is there any problem?
There is every problem. There is plenty of problem. That a married one left this house since morning and she's not yet back. Isn't that enough problem? No, isn't that enough problem that she's supposed to have come back to this house to take care of her house? She left everybody.
Is that why you're bothered? But Mama is no longer a kid. You just need to stop being worried. She'll soon be back. Calm down.
Oh, she's no longer a kid. You have the guts to tell me that your mother is no longer a kid. Yet she is behaving like one. Because if she's not behaving like a kid, she should know that by this time she's supposed to have come back, take care of her home, feed her children, and every other person around the house. She left. She even invited a makeup artist to come and make her up. After making her up, to God nowhere. And you're telling me she's no longer a kid. She had better come back the same way she left. Otherwise, all of you in this house will get it hot from me. Papa. Why must you rub all those things? Why must you leave this house in the first place without telling me? I have taken it up to this place. A married woman. Just 1 week. Call you perhaps with the piam. Oh, wala pigeon. Where is her? Otopla. With the leg wala. Oh, we let contour. Yashienka. Fepu. She will come back to this house and meet me. Wherever she went to go and meet, she will confess today to me. If she didn't tell me where she went to today, Papa Peter Gabata Popo, Pagia Papa Paul. How much?
Odinaka! Odinaka! Yes, Mama. Come on, open the door for me. Can't put down, but you're really. Come on, open the door for me. I want to car. This one is locked. This one is locked. Go and open the door for me. Let me go inside. Go.
Uncle is the key.
Go and collect the key from him or not some uncle is with the key.
Uncle, Mama is back. Give me the key to open the door for her.
Uncle, I'm talking to you.
Papa, please give them the key now. Please now.
Oga, give us the key to the house. I want to go inside. Odele, I'm talking to you.
If your hand touch me, maybe if you touch me with that your cursed hand, you will not like what I will do to you this evening. So you left this house to wherever you like, and you came back. You expect me to jump up and give you the key to enter which house? Which house do you want to enter? This same house, or Palago? Since you have decided to be sleeping around, go ahead and continue to sleep around. If you like, sleep in the gutters. If you like, sleep under the tree. Let them do it to you. I don't care. For this house, I have locked it, and that is final.
Uncle, please. I'm begging. You can just give me the key. Let me open the door for Mama. Because
Mama, wait. Organic.
Mama, you can't beg him now. Come.
Mama, beg him over my dead body. That will not happen. Beg him for what? Why is he restless? Why is he angry? Am I his wife? Am I his girlfriend? Am I a baby that he should be monitoring my movement up and down? Eh?
Mama, he cares for you. And I think he's very concerned.
He should hold that his care. Clear my food. I don't need it. Hey, as in, that useless uncle of yours had the guts to lock me out of my own husband's house. No problem, no problem. I'm not even fighting. Because I'm going.
Mama, what are you doing now?
Don't worry, I can take care of myself. Let me quickly go to your auntie's house and stay. Mbano, Ayafo. Please listen to us. Don't go, be cool, Mama. No amount of pleading will make me change my mind. Mania, I am tired of the intimidation. I'm tired of his intimidation. I want to go where I will have peace because before we will not get married.
What peace is more than having your children around you?
Look at this one. Did I not ask you to come? Did I not ask you to come with me? It depends on you. After all, both of you are no longer kids. So now you can take care of yourselves.
Mama, we are going nowhere. We are going nowhere because this is our father's house. I mean, your husband's house.
This house ceased to be my husband's house the day I was locked out of it. Mama. And I'm here. Listen, if there's anybody you need to talk to, go and talk to that crazy uncle of yours. Because as for me, I have made up my mind. I am leaving. Biko. Oh, okay, Mama. I will talk to him. But please don't go. Mama, please don't go. Don't leave us here.
Mama, I don't like what you're doing.
I have people to come. You can love your uncle more than you love me. No, when I asked you to come for my sake, you said no.
Mama, I've been there for you now.
Oh, yeah, come. Let us go together. There is still time. Go and pack your things. Go and pack your things now. You don't want to pack.
I'll be there for you, Mama.
Give me back.
Mama, don't go. Mama, stay now.
Papa.
What is it?
Nothing heavy.
What about her?
I saw her living with her luggages because she didn't allow her to enter inside the house yesterday. Please can stop her, please. Please.
Go tell her that I said she should go well.
Huh?
Yes. Tell her I said she should take care of herself and then, in fact, she should go well.
Papa!
Mama, you heard me. Go and say what I asked you to say.
Papa, this thing is not good.
Come on, leave me alone.
Papa, please, no, please. Let's go stop her, Papa. Please don't do this now. Papa, please now. Let's just go stop her, please.
Come on, get.
Are you happy? What kind of a father are you? Eh? But why are you being so mean and wicked to them? Can you feel their help?
I'm not wicked, Okwaya. I am not wicked, Okwaya. Maybe her children have brainwashed you. You now call your father wicked. Eh? You now call your father wicked. Okay, let me ask you. A woman that just finished mourning her husband. She's not even allowing to get to the next day. Piam! Actually, she went out with a strange man. And she came back to this house. You expect me to clap for her? You expect me to jump on her? Welcome, ma. Who does that?
Papa.
Oh, Mama.
Papa, who told you she went out with a strange man?
Okay.
Papa, you judge things so easily.
I know. They must have given you something. But no matter how much they have given you to come and talk to me in this tone, return that money. Because I still remain your father. And you must dance to my tune, whether you like it or not.
Papa, you see, this is why I love my late uncle. You're supposed to be a man of peace. You're supposed to be the one to bring the family together. If my late uncle was still alive, all this thing would be happening.
Yeah.
He was a man of peace.
Yeah. Or the man of war. I am now a lahia. Hoga. I'm ashamed of you. Hear yourself talk like a market woman. That is the people you are talking like. You now wish me dead, okay? Oh yes. You now wish your uncle is alive, so that both of you will continue messing up messing up this family.
Papa, I'm not wishing you dead.
So
you always have a way of twisting things.
Papa,
what you are doing is wrong. I will tell you the truth.
Yeah.
Those children are crying, and I'm not happy about it.
Why must you be happy? No, just give me one reason you should be happy. That at your age, you have not even one single block in this house, and you want to be happy. Black monkey.
My dear, you need to be strong. Your mom only left. She's not dead.
Virgin, I wish you could understand my feelings. When I thought that peace is about to invade us, I never knew things would get worse.
You just need to console yourself and be strong. Okay? Remember, nothing lasts forever. One day, all of this will become history.
I can't wait. Thank you so much, Jane. Thank you. God bless you for me.
It's okay now. I appreciate you. What are friends for? Don't thank me. I have to be on my way now. Thanks for coming. Okay.
Good morning.
Why are you announcing me? Hopefully he's here. I'm making it. I should start dancing because hopefully he's here. Let's wait.
I don't want. But please, I want to beg you for something.
Listening.
Please, beg Auntie to stay back. I don't want her to go.
She begged the auntie to stay. And so you Julius Beggar. Why be? I'm working in Julius Beggar's company. Did I ask her to go in the first place? Did you hear that I asked your auntie to go? She decided to leave by herself. So if she decides to stay back, that's her own cup of tea. Nobody should lure me into that too. Because I know I can't.
Papa, please. Just let the sleeping dog lie. Be calm. I don't want her to go. Even if you're not going to beg her, please don't let her go. Please.
If the sleeping dog like, let it wake up. I can't do such thing. Do you hear me? I am the man of the house. Oh yes, I am the person that she's supposed to come and beg. She offended me. She insulted me. And she left. So if there's anybody to be begged here, I am the person. I'm not the other way around. Please don't disturb me. Let me have this fruit in peace.
But as the head of the family, you should unite your family together now.
I'm no longer the head. Yes, I am now the Nash of the family. The bonbon of family. In fact, because of this, I am now the Iko of the family. Cut me off from the head.
You're not ready to be an orphan. What if you die now? I won't even have anybody to take care of me. I'm too young for this. Very, very tender for this.
No, Papa, I am not dying soon. You hear me? I will live like Methuselah in the Bible. In fact, it is still tender. Come on, suckle breast. You have nobody to take care of you. Your mates have far common in marriage. Your mates have 2 or 3. Even if you are a child or before, it's no longer now. Look at oranges. That's a pack. Now take this thing from me. Take it.
No, I'm not taking.
Hey, Mama. Why did you get food for Uncle and his children?
Yes, Mama. Look at question. I should get food for them. As what? I bear my responsibility. Because everybody should carry their crosses.
But Mama, what is working is what doing well. You only having issues with their father. At least you should have gotten some for them.
As Mother Christmas. Mama Mother Christmas. Okay. Are you also aware that both of you are all the least responsibility since your father is no more? Since your father died. Has he gifted any of you?
Mama, that's because the both of you are not in good terms. Remember Uncle used to give us money and gift us them when we were in peace.
Mama, don't forget it. You taught us not to repay evil with evil. At least live by example, Mama.
You have won, but you're not making sense. Now, will you allow me to eat this food in peace? I'm not calling.
Take this here.
What?
I'll prepare it for you and your brother to eat.
Thank you very much. Who goes digging? This is your boss. Thank you.
Eat a lot of vegetable.
I will.
Put enough vegetable.
Yes, uncle.
Lamb.
Nothing, sir. I wanted I should give you this.
Your mother.
Yes, sir.
Are you sure of the one she asked you to give?
I'm very, very sure. It's for you.
You're sure?
Okay.
Wando. Adam Naya.
Papa.
Come, please. Where is she?
She's inside.
Give it to her. Keep it in my room.
Okay, Papa. Emily, my mother said you should come with me. Okay. You see yourself. Okay, thank you. Oh, now wait, no. Okay.
Come on.
Hey, God. You should not pity the food. Eh? Eat. There's plenty of food here. There's still plenty inside the house. Eh? Who has been cooking since I left here? Let me know who has. No wonder. No wonder all of them are very sleepy. Yeah. You see how? Because how has our food been? Don't talk. Don't worry. I will bring out one day and come. And I will dedicate that day to teaching you how to.
Thank you, Mama.
I told me for any staff.
Stop laughing, allow her.
I will help her. Mama say Onyezo say no. Hey! Mama for her. So I'll teach you. Just these few days.
Thank you, Mama.
Very
I like you.
I'm not like
that is the one I'm not. Wando, Adanaya, where are you? Come fast.
Papa, I'm coming.
Fast.
Money.
Hey, Bobby, go and give her money. Rush!
My father said I should give you this money for your transportation.
Telling myself thank you, but I don't need his money. I have enough money for transportation.
Oh, see, please. I don't want him to beat me. You know how my father behaves. I don't want him to be mad at me, please.
Okay, it's fine.
Bye-bye. Well, give me that. Stop giving it to her.
Why are you smiling?
Here, take your money. I don't need it. Oh, now, why am I not talking to somebody? Please take your money. I have money for transport. I don't need it.
I did not give you that money because you needed it. I gave it to you because it is my responsibility. I'm doing what I'm supposed to do as a husband.
Cheerful. Cheerful. Well, it's very unfortunate that you're doing the right thing at the wrong time. Like I said, I don't need the money. I have enough. Take it back.
If I must take it back, then go inside and then take that food you gave to me. Take it back too.
Is that a threat?
It's a promise.
Meet your mother here. Tell your mother.
Loco.
You want to marry? How?
Of course I should. Your sister refused to help me. Then I look around and I remember that I'm not handicapped. I have to jump into the market.
What happened? What could have been her reason?
What couldn't have been her reason if not for me to reconcile with your auntie? She said until I reconcile with her before she can help me do anything. Then I look around, I see that I can cook. In fact, from now onwards, I am a chef. You get a chef when you make kitchen this week, everybody will run away from you. You go in my kitchen, cha cha cha. From cha 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 by cha cha. People should get ready.
Papa, be calming down. Don't you think she's making a point? If you are forgiving her, all this thing will be happening. You know that now.
It's obvious. It's obvious that you have connived with your sister to rub shame on my face. You want me to step too low to forgive somebody who killed my brother? I'm ashamed of you.
Papa, you are just the one misunderstanding us.
Black monkey. Get behind me, Becca.
Papa, get behind me.
Yeah.
Papa, black monkey.
Papa, don't cook anything, no. You know you don't know how to cook. You will go and prepare herbal medicine, no. You are just big guy. Ask for later, you will still forgive her. Papa, don't cook anything, no. Hey, Papa.
How long am I going to continue like this? Vivian doesn't care about me anymore. Everything is just falling apart.
Your food is ready. I've said it. Okay. I'm about to go.
Um, so soon?
Yes. I have to start reading now before it gets dark.
That. You can stay back. Nobody's chasing you. This is your husband's house.
I know, but I did not make any provisions for it. But it's fine, let me go. I will see you guys later. Bye.
Madam. Are you just coming?
Yes, I am just coming now. So tell me, have you eaten?
Eat what? How can I eat when you have not prepared something?
Hey, are you being serious right now?
Of course. I can't eat except you order me to eat.
Okay. So, now that I am here, what would you want me to prepare for you to eat?
Everything from Her Royal Majesty. Who am I to say no? You call the shots, I follow.
It's okay. Just give me some time, okay? Let me prepare something for you.
I know you're always doing good. What kind of idea?
Yes. I'm seeing the mic somewhere eating. Because I'm not hearing any sound from them.
That's a sign of love. No, but that would be another, then you love for that. Once something drops, none of the love has saved. I have to shake it first. Anyway, let me take out this one. Yeah. Wow. That's a romantic way of opening it. Thank you. Papa, we need to talk as a family. Papa,
It's all about the relationship between you and Auntie.
Who is Auntie?
Papa, you're no more kids. You know when one is in love and you are in love.
Yes, Papa. The truth still means that nobody will ever love us and care for us like our mother sister would do. Please. She's already playing the role of your mother and has filled the vacuum our mother left behind us. Papa, please. We your children are begging you. We want that the love, care, attention and unity. We want us to live like one family. We miss our mother, your wife. Papa, please, grant us this wish.
Papa, instead of going out there to get a stranger, why not start thinking of getting Auntie married? Yes. Papa, I know you're in love. Look at your eyes.
I can't cope with a stranger. I'm beginning to love and care. I want her to be my stepmother.
Papa is in love. Look at his face. Papa, he called me. Sit. Papa,
I am worried. I can't sleep. I am restless.
Papa, what happened? You are worried, you are restless. Give me the know. What happened?
About what you and your sister told me. I've been thinking about it. I've been thinking of how possible that would be.
Papa, it's very simple. Just go to her. Let her know how you feel. Express your feelings to her. I believe she will understand you.
Can you think that will be possible? Look at the way you spelled it out very easily. I am not sure she will agree. After all we have been through in the past.
I know what to do. We will talk to her on your behalf, and I believe she will listen to us. I think they are in love. We need to convince them to get married officially.
Well, it takes two to agree, so it's left for them to agree that they want to become a union again.
That is where you guys come in. Please. You need to talk to your mother on our behalf.
Tradition already states that once the man is dead, his surviving brother can inherit everything, including the wife and the kids. That's if the man wants.
That alone will make it easier for Uncle to make his own decisions.
Same here. Let's just keep our hopes high. God will perfect it for us.
We have wedding to plan.
Yeah, sure.
We have wedding to plan.
Please stop now.
Uncle, please talk to us. We've been here for some time now. Just say something. Why are you crying? It's okay. Stop crying. Talk to us.
Just talk to us. Eh?
You're making me to cry. Talk to us. No, why are you crying? Say something.
I am so ashamed of myself. And ever since I lost my wife and my brother, which happens to be your father, I
have not been doing what I'm supposed to do as a father. I'm supposed to take over my brother. I'm supposed to take care of you. I'm supposed to be a father. Everything to you people. But I have failed in my duty. Please. I want you people to find a place in your heart. Forgive me. I'm only but human. But now I have realized my mistakes. And I'm ready to correct them, please.
It's okay. It's okay. As far as we are concerned, we bring no police against you.
Yes.
The most important thing is that peace is being restored for this family.
Yes. Yes,
Uncle.
Uncle. Exactly.
That's what we want.
Uncle, wherever my father is and my auntie, they will be extremely happy for a day like this.
Yes.
We regret the past, we embrace the present, and we are happy to be just one family.
Yes.
Please stop crying.
What is this one? I hope you people are not trying to beg me to stay back, because I will not. I don't understand. What is this one?
Something similar, Mama.
Yes.
And you're not going to stand up from here if you're going to grant us our request.
Yes, Mama.
Oh, you are serious? Really? Okay. Oh, Mama, what is it?
This Mama.
Get it.
I want you to marry me. Yes. My life is incomplete without you. Please. I want us to spend the rest of our life together. Please, marry me.
Say yes. Mama, say yes.
Yes,
Yes, Mama.
No.
Say yes. Yes, say yes now. Say yes, please.
No.
Say yes, please. Please. Please say yes now, please. Please. Mama, say yes. Mama, say yes now.
No, Mama. No, Mama.
Because yes, Mama.
In every the spark the beat flow, yes in the soul. They built a bridge from anger, stone by stone. But through the fire, through the wall, love will find a way. Who could ever thought the enemy of yesterday?
I think you have to go back
In every word, in every glance, they spark the bitter flame. Cutting deep, piercing the soul. They built a bridge from anger, stone by stone. But through the fire, through the wall, love will find a way. Who could ever thought the enemy of yesterday will be the best, the best, the best for me today? All that matters, we are married again. Oh, all that matters, we are married again. We are married again. Oh, we are married again. Oh, all that matters. Bite for night, it make it be mosquito. Make it be mosquito. I promise to stay with you till the end of life. Oh,
bye.
Thank you so much, all the Academy. You guys made it look so easy.
Yes,
I am very, very happy to witness this day. And I've never seen such smile on Oko's face in a very, very long time. I swear. Indeed, love is a beautiful thing.
You don't know?
I told you guys that it will definitely work. Now, here we are. Testifying about it. So give me accolades. Give it to me.
Master planner.
One day, Lola. I've always trust you now. You know the master's now. You've always been a master planner. Trust me. So guys, what next?
What next? What else if not to plan on how we're going to wear our shibi and dance?
Oh, wonderful. Okay. Wonderful. And you dance, show off yourself. No, don't have to dance. Don't have to dance. I know very well. No.
Show us what you're about.
Stone by stone, but through the fire, through the wall, love will find a way. Who could ever thought the enemy of yesterday?
Lekwe na ụzọ a mechie ya ka m bịa.
Omo Igbo cattle. I was already rushing to your house. To my house? Yes. There's something I want to discuss. Biko, can you? Not very Jake. Hey! Oh, my dear. Hey! Away! That's a man called. I don't want a minute from now. Hey!
My brother, welcome. Yeah, orderly. You said have something to tell me. So I'm all ears.
It's about my late brother's wife.
Orderly. So you still. So you have something of this nature and never bothered to tell me.
Ichi, I am very, very sorry. You know how busy I am. I've been running around from one place to another, trying to make things work. But I was already on my way to your house. In fact, you see this cola in my hand. This drink is for you. I was bringing it for you to tell you officially. But now that you are here, it's still yours. Okay, so go ahead and drink on my behalf.
That's na Okudem Manzegatoj. Okwad Homa Manzegatoj. But this one is very good.
I know.
You know, as a constant demand, she has to go and live with the family before she can get married to you. I think you know that.
Oh, she's already in their place.
Ah.
She's no longer here.
Oh! That means you have my concept now. You have my concept.
Thank you very much. I am so happy that you see reason in what I said. You go to the tree.
So what do you? We don't have to waste time. So when are we going to see their people?
This weekend. Is there any time to waste?
Okay.
Yes.
In that case, I'll be waiting now.
Good.
And I go over some.
Yes.
Okay, so I'll be waiting.
Good.
Weekend.
Hey.
Finally.
Yes, sir.
Smile has been restored to this your beautiful face. It's God. It's so God. You know, I always want to see you smile.
Thank you.
Where is the traditional marriage? Hey, this girl. How do you know all this? You no longer news that your uncle is asking for your mother's hand for marriage.
Hey, Jane. You know you get information, eh? It dey shock me. Anyways, my uncle will be going to my mom's village for her introduction this weekend.
Hope I'm invited.
So then, invited? No! I'm only inviting you for the wedding ceremony. Still invited.
So your uncle is also doing white wedding?
Hey! My uncle, that is a Christian. He will not want to keep any woman beside him without taking her to the altar. I know my uncle very well. That's him for you.
Wow! That's good.
I'm telling you. I'm so happy for them.
1 minute.
What is it?
No, I want to eat myself.
Enter here and eat yourself.
Hey, don't worry, I'll go behind.
Come to my room.
They come.
See, if you eat yourself, then make sure you flush it. I must wash it off. She can get information from her. Legit ones. IJ. Oh wow. Should I call her? I know my friend.
In every word, in every glance, they spark the bitter flame. Cutting deep, piercing the soul. They built a bridge from anger, stone by stone. But through the fire, through the wall, love will find a way. Who could ever thought the enemy of yesterday will be the best, the best, the best for me today? All that matters, we are married again. Oh, all that matters, we are married again. We are married again. Oh, we are married again. Oh, all that matters, we are married again. Oh, baby, oh. If waiting bite for night, it make it be mosquito. Oh, make it be mosquito. I promise to stay with you till the end of life. Oh, all that matters, we are red in every glance. They spark the bitter flame, cutting deep, piercing the soul. They built a bridge from anger, stone by stone. But through the fire, through the wall, love will find a way. Who could ever thought the enemy of yesterday will be the best, the best, the best for me today? All that matters